Hello, going to be doing an Aerie unboxing. I'm very excited about it. I haven't had my hair up like this in forever, so it's really weird to kind of like see myself. But let's get started. So first thing, starting off very strong, is this like V-neck loose t-shirt. I think they call it like their boyfriend tee. The color is just perfect. They released their spring collection, so I got a lot of things from that. So that's item number one. Item number two is their seamless bra. I just really love this color. It was part of their like winter and fall stuff, and it was like $10 on sale, so I went ahead and snagged it. Next is another sports bra. It reminded me kind of a Lululemon bra, but for like a quarter of the price. It was also on sale. All of this was on sale, and I don't know if you guys know this, but Aerie through like, I forget what website it is, but if you look up Aerie student discount, you get a discount if you're a verified student. So that's what I did. So it was 20% off along with it being on sale. Next was like the item. It's a pair of like pull-on denim, but the waistline's kind of like a sweatband material-ish. And these are like, they're sort of like sweatpants, but they look like jeans. I got an extra small short. A lot of their things run really long on me, but I can do a try on for these later. But they're wide leg, they're super cute, and they were on sale. And lastly, I have this tank. I love it. I think it's super cute. I usually get an extra, ooh, I'm currently being attacked, but I usually get an extra small, but I think they were sold out, so I just got an extra small, which is fine. We'll make it work. I had 2 more shirts in this order. They were sleep shirts. I'm probably not gonna wear them as sleep shirts. They're really cute. They're the same like boyfriend tee. One of them had a strawberry on it, and the other one had some bananas on it. But I don't think they came in this bag, but they'll probably be here sometime today. But that is all, and let me know if you want me to do a try on.